right now. But let's get you a check on the market. Kush Bohra joins us. Kush, take us through how you look at this. I mean, we opened a lot better than what was expected as well, right? A lot better than what the SGX was indicating, but we have come off significantly from that level. How do you expect the rest of the session to pan out? I mean, it is a very short trading week, but how do you look at this now?
Well, that's in some ways good news for us, right? We've been wanting some holidays after the kind of volatility we've seen. So, Pavitra, first up, thank you for having me on the show. Well, I'm not surprised. See, we rose too high, too fast in the last couple of sessions, and 17,400 a call on the Nifty and 40,700, on the Bank Nifty, which is also the upper band of its downward sloping channel, which started in December. So these are a couple of technical points which are acting as, a resistance zone on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. But, dare I say, the kind of, move that we've seen in a lot of large cap names and the indices, thereafter, I think the room has opened up for 17,800 on the Nifty and 42,000 on the Bank Nifty. So for me, any kind of dips, in the indices, in the, large cap names would be an opportunity to buy. 17,400 might act as an immediate resistance, as I said, only for this expiry, which is actually just 2 days away given the holiday. And 17,200 is where I see the support. 41,100 is an immediate resistance on the Bank Nifty, and 40,300 is where I see the support. But as I said, on the dips, I would be, a buyer in these markets.
Okay. All right. So you'll be a buyer of the dips. That's index level. What about individual stocks? What are you looking to pick?
So there'll be plenty of action, especially, in the mid cap and the small cap space. So I've got two picks, from, that space in the markets. First is Tejas Networks. The stock was actually showing a lot of strength, in the last couple of sessions as well. But today, given the kind of support that, we've seen in the market over the couple of days, it's broken out and, it's trading above all its, key, averages. So this is given a very clear breakout. I expect this momentum to continue for much longer. But from a trading perspective, 640 would be my immediate target. 600 would be my stop loss. The second one is from the banking space. Federal Bank. Again, very similar story. The stock has been doing well, but was under pressure given the market situation. Today, we are seeing a follow-up. In fact, it's the third day of a follow-up buying on the Federal Bank stock. And this is also trading above, most of its key averages. In fact, 130, 133 was a key resistance zone. And the stocks held on above those levels. So my suggestion here would be 137 looks like an immediate target. 132 is where I would place my stop loss.
Thank you very much for that, Kush. Get into a break. On the other side, we'll discuss market fundamentals.